Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money online by creating an app. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking for ways to earn money over the internet? If so, creating an app might be the perfect opportunity for you. In this video, we'll discuss how to make money online by creating an app and provide a case study of a successful app that made money, Instagram. First, we'll take a look at the app development process. The first step to making money online with apps is to develop a great app. Although this might appear to be a challenging endeavor, it does not need to be. There are a few key things you can do to increase your chances of success. Identify a need in the market. Design a user-friendly interface, and promote your app. Next, we'll take a look at how to create a successful app. Identifying a need in the market, designing a user-friendly interface, and promoting your app are the key steps to creating a successful app. To give you an example, let's take a look at the case study of Instagram. Instagram is a social networking service where users can share photos and videos. As of April 2021, Instagram had over 1 billion monthly active users. Instagram has used a variety of strategies to make money since its launch in 2010, including advertising, partnerships, product placements, affiliate marketing, selling physical products, and selling access to its user data. Advertising has been the primary source of revenue for Instagram since 2015 when it first started running ads. There you have it, the steps to make money online by creating an app and a case study of a successful app that made money, Instagram. By identifying a need in the market, designing a user-friendly interface, and promoting your app, you too can create a successful app that generates revenue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.